works that are produced from our research and development activities are slowly but surely bearing fruit. And because they are slowly finding their way to their intended, I do not like to say beneficiary, no? Because sometimes it has this dole out nuance. But I'd rather like to say that, you know, it goes to our partners, it goes to our co-enablers of these innovations. Of course, thank you also to the DOST Regional Office. Of course, we have Dr. Virginia Belhera, ably represented by Ms. Rachel Santos. Nakita ulit tayo kasi kahapon nandito rin po siya. So of course, our representative, our presence in the regions. Thank you also to Yusek Sancho for the support for the e-trikes. No? Of course, since many years ago, we started to establish the e-mobility NICER Center here in CSU, in the other campus. The intention was to actually enable or establish a research and development center for anything that you would move electrically, no? So merong ng tricycle, merong kinonvert na tricycle. Kahapon din, they were showing me the bus that's going to be converted from your conventional diesel internal combustion engine to a electric bus. And a few more innovations, such as, say, for example, coming up with swappable battery units. No? So you don't have to actually invest in the battery because that takes up a lot of the cost, no, for any electric vehicle, be it a car or a tricycle or the bus. You need to find a way to remove the cost to be borne by those that are that should be borne by those who are providing the energy source. No? For example, tatanggalin mo na lang sa car mo and then you swap it to your nearest. Sabi ko kahapon, swapping station yata. Hindi swapping station.
We have a lot of products. We have a lot of food products na develop, no. Some have already undergone testing. Some where they bought their samples to the DOST car, some in Manila, and of course some nakikater namin ng DOST. Pero marami pa ang nangangailangan. Actually sa mga research namin, every time na nagpupunta kami sa mga campuses, sa mga in-house, yan ang mga huli na hindi nagagampanan. Kaya dahil nga sabi nila, ma'am, we don't have enough fund na download ko for them to conduct the researches. So sabi ko nga sa kanila, with that, I think we can cater now your products. Sabi ko, ipunin ko lahat ng mga produkto na nila para ma-test na dyan. At saka, yung pinaka-importante, marami talaga tayong mga food products na oversupply. Hindi lang siya sa market, even products of Cagayan State itself and our service communities.